Hello friend, in this video I will discuss most important results of limits. In previous videos I have discussed trigonometric and algebraic function. Okay, these function have been discussed in previous videos. In this video I will discuss exponential, logarithmic and another kind of exponential function. So if we consider the question number 6, this one. So there are two methods to solve this question. If we put directly the value of x numerator and denominator, if there is indeterminate form after putting x equal to 0, log 1 is 0 and x equal to 0, that means 0 by 0 form, we can simply apply here Dale-Hospital rule. Another method is a series method. So we can simply apply log 1 plus x series. So it is nothing but x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4 upon x. Okay, if we take common numerator, so it will become what? Limit x tending to 0, if you take common, 1 minus x upon 2 plus x square by 3 minus x cube by 4 plus and so on upon x. This term will cancel out after taking limit 1 minus 0 plus 0 square by 3 minus 0 cube by 4 and so on. After solving, we will finally obtain 1. So the limit of given question, that means limit x tending to 0, log 1 plus x upon x equal to what? 1. Okay, and the second method is Dale-Hospital rule. Hospital rule. Okay, so in this method we can simply differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So limit x tending to 0, differentiation of log 1 plus x is 1 upon log 1 plus x, and differentiation of 1 is 1. Now we can simply put the limit, so it will become 1 upon 1 plus 0, finally 1. So the limit of the same question is 1 also in second method. And the second question is exponential x. So if we apply here exponential series, that means limit x tending to 0, exponential 1 plus x upon factorial 1, x square by factorial 2, x cube by factorial 3 and so on. And this one is minus upon x. This is limit x tending to 0. This minus 1 will cancel from plus 1. Okay, if we take minus x common, so it will become 1 plus x by factorial 2 plus x square by factorial 3 and so on upon x. This term will cancel out. After taking limit, we will have 1 plus 0 by factorial 2, 0 square by factorial 3 and so on. So finally we will obtain limit x tending to 0, exponential x minus 1 upon x equal to 1. We can simply solve by applying Dale-Hospital rule. So limit x tending to 0, differentiation of e to the power x is same, 1 is 0 and differentiation of x is 1. So if we take limit here, then e to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so we can simply prove by applying Dale-Hospital rule in this question, we will obtain the result. Okay, now the third question is question number 10. This is limit x tending to 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x. This will equal to what? Log, if you apply the series of a to the power x, so it will nothing but the series is 1 plus x log a at base e upon factorial 1 plus x square log e base a upon factorial 2 and so on. Okay, minus 1. This term will cancel out by this term upon x. Now if we take x as a common, so limit x tending to 0, x log a base at base e plus x log a base at e plus and so on upon x. From x to x it will cancel. On taking limit, this all term will cancel because this contain x remaining terms. So the final answer is log a base. This is the result. And the second method is DL hospital rule. In this method we can simply differentiate numerator and denominator. So differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a base a at base e, and differentiation of -1 is 0 upon differentiation of x is 1. So on taking limit we will have a to the power 0 log a at base e. So the final result is log a at base e. Okay, so this is the result in both the methods. So we can write here limit x tending to 0 a to the power x minus 1 upon x equal to log a at base e. So this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.